Hey y'all, King Rancher 13. So I'm sure y'all have seen the video of where we went teal hunting in Venice, Louisiana. Today is Friday, and it's been a long week, and I figure I'd put some smack on some teal before the end of the season, which is Sunday. So we're down here at, I'm here by myself at Welsh, Louisiana, and I've hired a guide. So hopefully he'll be able to put us on some ducks. They didn't even look our way. It's kind of how it was in Venice. They would just fly straight over us like that, real high, and then they just dive right down behind us. They probably go. There they are.
Shoot that. Oh, no, that's a wood duck. Don't shoot that.
Yeah, no, the big one. It's on the back left. Might come back around. No. Yeah, we had pintails, weasels all day right in front of our face, all morning, and all the teal were flying right over. That's gonna look pretty. Yeah, I'm definitely having that mounted.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Teal and just in general are pretty.
I heard you said kill the wall in the water.
Alright, y'all, so we've shot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 so far, and so it's been a little slow. It's close to the end of the early teal season. 2 more days, and I'm not gonna have a chance to go out the last 2 days, but glad I got to. Actually, I shot my first teal this morning, so that's really exciting. We shot this one right here. Nice size teal there, and gonna have it mounted. But the sun's starting to come up. It's starting to slow down and turn off a little bit, but we'll see if we can hopefully get a couple more that sneak in. As always, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying some of the videos that we're putting out, and I'm trying to do a little bit more variety in videos. So let me know down in the comments below of what y'all think about the video so far, and maybe some other videos that y'all want to see. Bow season starts next week, and so I'm super excited about that. Well, I've been seeing a lot of deer on camera, so I'll probably end up getting one next week. So super stoked about that. Maybe a hog will sneak up and we'll get us a hog as well. If y'all haven't already, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Really help me out a lot. I want to hopefully be able to get more business and things so that I can continue to make more content that's cool for y'all, and that's more entertaining. So I know I haven't done a lot of work to my truck here recently. I've got a couple things coming up. It's just been so busy, which is good, and which I'm really grateful for. So thank y'all so much for your support. All right, we're gonna go back to hunting. Hopefully we'll have a couple more sneak up. All right, so we just had a big group of 7 come over, and we shot awful. And then we had a group of 3 or 4 come in, and we got 2 out of those. So I've shot my limit, and my guide, he has an evening hunt that he's gonna want to keep his limit for. So I think we're probably gonna wrap it up and call it a day. But that was a lot of fun. Killed my first teal, so that was really exciting. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed some of that. Alright, well, my guide over there, Bryce, he went and checked and seen if we had gotten a cripple, and I guess we got him, so that's the limit. Oh, if I didn't say before, we're in Welsh, Louisiana, a little south between Lafayette and Lake Charles, about 3 hours or so drive. Spent the night at Eunice, middle of nowhere kind of. Oh, I don't know. It looked like a pretty decent sized town. Yeah, it's been a fun little trip. I'm glad I got the chance to get on some teal, because really this was my first time. So it was a really cool experience. Comment down below and let me know if y'all have been killing some teal this season, early season. If y'all are getting ready for deer. I'm ready for bow season for sure. I think bows opening up in Arkansas and some other places around here. Alright, I'm just gonna take a second to show y'all. Gotta have one of those.